first signs when you know your kitchen sink is blocked is a slow draining sink. When the sink is fully clear, it should drain away quickly. Once a blockage or a partial blockage starts to occur, you will notice the sink drains slowly. Most premises have an open drain or a gully outside. Once this gully overflows, you then know that you need a water jet to clear the drainage in the ground. That is a clear indication that it's beyond clearing with a plunger or the small electric eel. First thing you should try is to unblock it with a standard cup plunger or one of these plungers. Most kitchen sinks are blocked with foodstuffs or grease. The first thing we do as plumbers is try and unblock the sink with a plunger. If plunging the sink is unsuccessful, the next thing we would do as plumbers is remove the S-trap under the kitchen sink, and using our electric eel, we would insert the electric eel into the waste pipes to clear the blockage. Stage 2 of clearing a kitchen sink with the electric eel typically takes between half an hour to 1 hour. If that is not successful, then we go to stage 3. Stage 3 of clearing a blockage in a waste pipe means the blockage is in the drainage system. The drainage system is the pipes in the ground. Now, the small electric eel will not clear these pipes in the ground. We then need to use a high pressure water jet. After we clear the blockage, we would then use our CCTV technology to go down to the pipes and find out where and what is blocking the drainage system. Typically, drainage systems or sewer pipes are blocked by tree roots, which is very common. Again, grease can also block these sewer pipes, or there is a defect in the drainage system. Using the CCTV technology, this can locate and get a clear picture of what's happening under the ground.